Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a bombing science shipment unboxing. This is my first shipment from Bombing Science, and I have to say I'm pretty pleased. I already opened it, saved some time. There's the bill. Let's open this baby up. Wrapping paper. Get a better angle. And yeah, I got some iron lac, and Frazetta is that color. It's like a greenish blue. I really like it. Some Malto Premium Belton Olympia blue. Yeah, stuff's really nice. And some more iron lac. This is Pose Sushi. I really love this purple. It's like one of my favorite colors. It's also iron lac. Some iron lac Panther. Oh, this one got a little dented in the shipping process. Oh well. And then the last spray paint is iron lac Venom. There's the color again. And then I got the main kit, one for Malto, one for all 127HS markers. I've heard really good things about these. Came in this cool case. Goes like that. And then got two sticker packs, and in a second I will show you all the stickers in them. And then the caps, got stencil cap. This came free with order over like $5 or something. And then these are the vegan outlines that go on the iron lac. And this is the soft blue dot that goes on the Belton. And the iron lacs also came each one with these little things. It's a lid, and it's got two fats in them, on them. Pretty cool design. It's a nifty little thing. And yeah, so in the sticker packs there are come on now. There's that, which is what it comes in. Just some, I don't know, like an egg type thing. And then got one of these metallic Bombing Science Sloral tag sticker. Crink metallic. It's pretty sweet. Got some blanks. I love this one. Good Day from Iron Lac, because Iron Lac is an Australian spray paint company. And then a Bombing Science blank red, blank blue, and then just an iron lac throwy type thing. And then another sticker from Bombing Science, and then just regular old iron lac spraying, and then Reload. The Ironlike Reload. I'm pretty sure the other one looks like it's got the same stuff. See, got this. Yeah, it's the same stuff. The Ironlike Throwy, another metallic renaissance. You can see all these. Nothing new. Blank. Another blank. Another Ironlike. And then a red crank with a metallic. And yeah, that was my shipment. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I wonder what this is in the box. Oh, Toxic Substance Control Act Declaration. Whatever the heck that is. Don't really care. And yeah. So that was my first bonding science shipment. I plan to get many more. Really like it. And yeah, thanks for watching.